Hi everyone. In this video, I'm going to tell you about the delete statement. So what is the use of delete statement? Delete statement is used to delete the data on the condition on the basis of without any condition. If you apply this command delete from table name, this is the table name, then entire data will be deleted. But if you are applying this command, then data will be deleted for employee ID 1050. And this command is also deleting the data on the basis of two conditions. ID should be this and name should be this. Okay. So if I talk about the command type, delete is a DML command. DML command is data manipulation language. We have four types of command: data manipulation language, DML; data definition language, DDL; data transaction language, DCL; data control language, DCL; data transaction language, TCL, transaction control language. Okay, data transaction control language. Okay, transaction control language. Okay, so here I'm just going to write down the command for delete. So here I'm just opening the SQL server first. So SQL, okay. I click on new query. I have connected my SQL. Now I have to activate our table and database first. So my database name is training. So here I'm just running it. My database training is activated. Now what I have to do? Here I need to show the data first. So here I'm just showing the data. Select a star from employee. Run it. So see here, this is my employee table. So my condition is I need to delete that particular data. The ID is A010. What is the ID? A010. This is the A010. I need to delete this data. So this is the best practice to delete the data through the employee ID. If you try to delete the data through the name, name can be repeated, but employee ID cannot be repeated. So make sure you have to delete the data through the ID, employee ID. Okay. So see here, I'm just writing command to delete the data for Ashoka. So here I'm just writing delete from table name. Table name is employee. Now you have to apply the condition through the where clause. So where clause, where, then you have to put down column name. This is my column name ID. And then you have to take equal to, you have to take single quote, then you have to mention A010. Why I'm taking here single quote? Because the data is in text format. If I have written A alphabets, it is in text format. If my data will be in number format, no need to apply here single quote. Okay, so now I run this command. So see here, command completed successfully. You can see here one row affected. It means data is deleted for this ID. Now this ID is not available in your table. You can see here. You don't have that particular date. Okay. So that particular data is not available. So see here, you don't have any ID which is related to A010. Okay. So this is delete. If you want to apply the condition on the basis of two columns. So what I have to do here, I need to delete those data. The salary is more than 50,000 and department should be management. So let me check. This is the Joseph whose salary is more than 50,000 and department is management. So how we can apply multiple condition? You can see here. I want to show you data whose salary is more than 50,000 first. So here I'm just writing employee where total salary more than 50,000. Run it. So see here, these are data which salary is more than 50,000. We have multiple data where salary is more than 50,000. So I want to delete only that particular department's data which belongs to management department. I need to delete those data whose salary is more than 50,000 in management department. So I will have to write here delete from table name. Table name is employee. So I'm taking here employee where then you have to mention the department name. So here I need to take department is a name of the column equal to which department. You have to take management department. Then you have to take here second condition and total salary should be more than 30,000. So I'm taking here total salary more than 30,000. So you need to write here greater than 50,000. Run it. Now all the data will be deleted from management department whose salary is more than 50,000. Now you don't have any data whose salary is more than 50,000 in management department. You can see here you don't have any data whose salary is more than 50,000 in management department. That's all for this video for delete statement. Thank you so much. I will come up with new video which will be related to truncate. Thank you so much.